In this video, you'll be learning how to make a Facebook reel private. But before we go straight into the video, it might interest you to subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and also give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. And most importantly, you need to turn the notification bell on so you can get recent updates from our channel. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So this is how you make Facebook reel private. So you want to go straight into your Facebook app, and on the top right hand corner, you click on your Facebook profile picture, and you click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings again. Then scroll down, navigate to where it says Reels. Okay, so now it gives us the option of allow anyone to remix your feature public reels, allow others to share your reels to their stories, who can see your reels. So that's what we want to be very particular about now. You want to determine who can see your reels. Don't forget, you want to make the reels private. So you click on who can see your reels. So this is where you get to change, all right? But the public, now the public, both your friends and everyone can see the reels, all right? If you just want only your friends, so people who are not on your friend list cannot see if you click on friends, all right? And we also have friends except. Okay, so three options here are public, friends, and friends except. So if you want just very few selected friends of yours to see only, all right, your reels, then you can select those who don't want them to see your reels, all right. But if you want just your friends, all right, non-friends should not see the reels, then you click on friends. And so that's how it works. You click on save as well, and this will make your reels private from the public, and only your friend can see, as the case may be. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye for now.